Hello friends, once again I'm here with another topic of class 10th, A Tiger in a Zoo, its third poem. So it's written by Leslie Norris. Today I'm going to discuss this poem and I'm going to tell you what is there in it. The poem explains the agony and helplessness of a caged tiger that lives in a zoo. Look, a person who lacks freedom, or we can say any human being or any being who lacks freedom, is always weak. He or she always thinks of his or her or its freedom. The poet explains what his life could be if he had been a free animal. If an animal goes anywhere, likewise, if we take example of right now, at COVID-19 is there and we are staying at home, we are able to feel that pain of staying inside, caged. We are caged in our homes, we are quarantined in our homes, we are just sitting in our homes, and we are just not going out. We are able to see that how much it's not our freedom curbed, it's for our safety only, but we can feel that pain which these animals go through when they are going through such kind of circumstances. The poet has tried to explain about the condition of animals that are caged by human beings for their own fun. Look, we cage some birds, some animals, some kind of we can say pets, but that's not a thing that we humans should do, because we should know the true value of freedom. It's not only humans who should have freedom, as it's in the poet contrast in A Tiger in a Zoo about the natural habitat. Look, each and every person feels freedom in its or his or her natural habitat. If you put an animal in its natural habitat, definitely the animal will be very happy, it will groom up very well, and definitely it will prove its strength. As this tiger, it's full of strength, and it cages its prey into the wildness of nature. But if we just take this tiger into the zoo and put it over there and just give it food over there, it will get accustomed to that, and it will the naturalness of its habitat will be lost as well. The poem shows the importance of freedom not only for humans but for animals as well. So it's not freedom for humans only. No, we all keep on always saying no, our freedom is being curtailed, we are being stopped of our freedom. No, it's not like that we only should think about ourselves. No, we should think of animals as well. How many animals are there in our homes which one are caged? How can we say we can talk about our freedom when we have caged so many of animals in our homes and kept them as pets? So human progress should not be at the cost of destroying the nature in its virgin form. We see usually that forests are being cut down because we need human progress, we need roads till the end of the forest. No, it should not be like that. Nature should be in its virgin form, it should not be touched, it should not be just destroyed, because you might have you might have heard of many news, like there was a highway built through the forest and a lot of thousands of these trees were cut down, natural habitat of a lot of animals got disturbed. So that's not a thing this human progress means. No, human progress should be there, but it should not just cost the life or habitat of any other being. That's the thing. So there are a lot this poetic devices being used in this very poem. First is alliteration, like plump, pass, p and p, per and per sound is repeated, so plump pass is there. Imagery, the images of tigers activities like going here and there, sitting, snarling, these activities are being presented there, so there are active images, which means imagery is there. Onomatopoeia is there, sound snarling. Onomatopoeia is a kind of a figure of speech or poetic device where sounds are presented in its true form. Like snarling is the sound of a tiger, so it's presented over here as a word, so it is onomatopoeia. Personification, tiger referred as he is moving here and there, sitting on the red velvet grass, so tiger is presented as he, so it's personification. Pads of velvet, look, this grass is directly indirectly compared to pads of velvet. So that's why it's metaphor over here. Assonance in his vivid strips, I, is sound is being repeated, so that's why it's assonance. As I have already told you, alliteration is repetition of consonant sounds, and assonance is repetition of vowel sounds. Rhyming scheme of the poem is A, B, C, B. Okay, so now going towards the summary part of the poem. In the starting, you will see that this tiger is walking in quite rage. It walks here and there because in a zoo, the tiger is restless because he is not able to regain his freedom. He is not able to move around in a very free manner. That's why it's in rage. And he should have been in his wild natural habitat. As it is freedom for everyone, then a tiger should not be kept inside a cage. He should be there in natural habitats. He should not be kept like a pet. No, he is a wild animal. So he should be there in the wildness only, terrorizing the village. He should be there, coming into the villages, terrorizing, just preying on a goat, taking away a goat. That means it is the natural activity of the tiger. So he should be there in the natural activity, not in those activities made up by the humans, not in the just made environment. This tiger should be in its natural environment. Alas, the tiger is not in its natural habitat. The wild that means it is being presented over there that this tiger is not in the wild, it is in the human made environment. Remains awake till late at night and just sees the stars and skies because the tiger is repenting that he is not in its natural habitat. He is not in his natural habitat. He is just here put by the people. The poem has two settings. The first one is that of a zoo, and the second one is that of the natural wild habitat of the animal. And the 10th tone of the poem represents the hidden rage of tiger, because there is hidden rage inside the tiger. He wants to just tear up everything and go away and just regain his freedom, but it is presented in the poem in a form of a 10th tone. Hope you got the idea of the whole poem. I'll come up with another topic soon. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.